are going to make mac and cheese. It is very easy to make and you don't need a lot of ingredients to make it. So let's get started. Before that, prepare all the ingredients such as
16 ounce of elbow macaroni, 5 cup of whole meat, 250 grams cheddar cheese, butter, salt, pepper, fresh parsley, 100 grams of sausage, and we also need a pot, knife, spatula, and a cutting board. Chop this sausage. Chop the parsley. Then fry the sausage until it's half cooked. Put the pot on the stove. Pour the milk and then let it boil. Add in the elbow macaroni, cook it until the pasta is tender.
Once the macaroni are cooked, turn off the heat. Add in the butter, the cheddar cheese, salt, and pepper. Stir the ingredients with the pasta until the cheddar and the butter melted and creates thick sauce. Put it in a plate and sprinkle it with parsley.
So there you go everybody, how to make easy mac and cheese. We hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.